Oh, look at the time. 5 minutes went by. Just got paid. Hey, what's up, Grind family? Reggie P here. Let me ask you something. Would you like to get paid by doing nothing? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 apps that will pay you to do nothing. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how 2 apps will pay you to do nothing. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, and make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And today is the day I'm going to give away some free money. So thank you guys. I've made it to 1,500 subscribers. So I said in previous videos, when I get to 1,500 subscribers, the most active subscriber is going to win some free money. And today I'm going to announce the winners. So the first winner is, drum roll please, Michael Obang. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your last name correctly. I hope I am. You are the most active subscriber. I've seen your name multiple times in the comments in a lot of my videos. And you was putting down the code word. So that shows me that you was watching my video all the way through. So I'm going to reward you with $15. Thank you. Appreciate your support. And I'm going to tell you in a minute how you're going to be able to get that $15. Now, the second most active subscriber is Shame Gromad. I think spell your name is G-A-M-M-A-N-D. I think that's correct. But you know who I'm talking about. I saw your name in there multiple times too. You and Michael was neck and neck. Michael maybe beat you by 1 or 2 videos that I saw his coming in, but I didn't see your comment of the code word. So you're going to get the second prize, the second amount of money that I'm going to give out is $10. So now, thank you. Appreciate your support. Every video, I know you're watching, and keep watching. Thank you for helping me grow. Now, I wasn't going to give a third person some money, but I saw this person. They coming on strong in the last 3 or 4 videos, which is Blasian Rabbit. Thank you for watching my videos all the way through and putting that code word down there. I want to go ahead and reward you something, since even though you're kind of new coming in to the Grind family and becoming one of the most active subscribers. I want to still reward you with something. So I'm going to reward you with $5. So thank you. Congratulations to all the winners. So the first one is getting $15. The second one is getting $10, and the third one is getting $5. Now, the way you get the money is you're going to email me your PayPal address. And I want you to email it to my email address, which is appgrindtv@gmail.com. And I'm going to leave it in the comments below. So now the way I need to know this is you, when you send me your PayPal address, I need your name to coincide with your YouTube channel. And I want you to take a snapshot of your YouTube channel and put that in the email so I know that's you. because I don't want to be sending money to somebody else. So, thank you again for being the most active subscribers on this channel. Now, enough for me talking. Oh, let me say this. I'm going to keep doing this every month. So, all you other guys out there, Grind family, that's watching my videos and that's haven't not even been subscribed, please subscribe, because you could be the next winner next month and be the most active subscriber. And I'm going to go ahead and reward 2 each month, and maybe 3 if I see another person that's coming on strong being the most active subscriber. So my next milestone is 2,000. So I might give some money away to one person when I reach 2,000, because I want to get there fast. So, all right, this is enough. I need to go ahead and get into this video right now and tell you about these 2 apps. So without further ado, let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at the first app, and it's called Money SMS. Now it says here, Money SMS app, make money online. Money SMS is a free Android app that allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. So what you're going to be doing is just receiving text messages from this company, and you're going to get paid for it. So you really don't have to do anything. You don't have to open it. You don't have to text them back or anything. And right here is where you download the app right here, the APK. And it's only for Android. Sorry, iPhone users. Now let's read about some of the main features of Money SMS. Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically from your phone by receiving SMS. Works on Android. Our application is exclusively Android based because only Android allows apps to read SMS. Earns money online. You just need to install our app and get paid by our money making app for received SMS text messages. Secure. Our app does not read any of your private messages or uses any data. We read only our own text SMS automatically. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from your side. And the referral program, you can refer our app to your friends and community and earn 30% from their earnings. So you can earn 30% of their text messages that they receive on their phone when you refer a friend. And free. Our app is completely free. You do not need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden fees. And right here, if you want to learn more about this app, there's a little video you can watch, a little 1-minute video. So to recap everything, what you're going to do is download and install this app. You're going to download the APK, and you're going to start receiving automatically text messages sent straight to your phone. Then you're going to get paid. Now, you're not going to get rich doing this. This is just something you can get money passively without doing anything at all. Because it says here you're going to get paid 2 cents when you receive text messages. So you're going to receive 2 cents for each message that they sent to you. You can withdraw your money when your balance reaches $2. So once you reach $2, you can withdraw it. So if you want to learn any more about this, just go to moneysmsapp.com. So let me go ahead and go to the second app that will pay you to do nothing. Okay, I'm at the next app, and I'll tell you the name of it in a moment. So it says here, get money from your Android phone. We pay for every minute of your time when you do nothing. So they're going to pay you also for doing nothing with this app. So you sign up here with your email and a password. And this is available on Google Play. So it says here we have the largest payments because Cash Magnet, which is the name of the app, unites all the best reward programs in one place. You do not need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. And as you can see, while you're just working on the computer, you're not even on the phone, you're getting paid. While you're sleeping, you're getting paid. You're not even using the phone. While you're eating, you're getting paid. And while you're reading the paper, you're getting paid. So it says here, prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, and you can buy another phone that works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. So you'll make enough money to buy another phone. So that means you're going to make some money. You're going to make hundreds of dollars from this app doing nothing. So it says also it's absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. That's a good thing. And when you cash out, you can cash out through PayPal or Amazon gift cards. And let's go to some of these frequently asked questions. Let's scroll down here and see which one that you guys will probably want to know. Let's look on here where it says, how does the accumulation of points happen? Accumulation of points take place every 5 minutes. The longer your program will work on your phone, the more money you will receive. So you're going to get paid every 5 minutes as long as you're running this app on your phone. And let's go to one more here. How can I redeem my points? So you're going to be receiving points. So you can redeem your points at any time for PayPal Cash, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation, Steam gift cards, or replenish a mobile phone account by going to the rewards page. So there are several ways you can redeem your points and get cash or gift cards. And let's look at one more here. What is the minimum payment? And payment goes from $1. So all you need to do is accumulate $1 and you can go ahead and cash that out. All right, there are plenty other frequently asked questions here, and you can learn more about this app once you come to this website. Again, the name of this website is cashmagnetapp.com. All right, now you know the 2 apps that will pay you to do nothing. So go ahead and download those apps and start getting paid to chill, start getting paid to watch TV, sleep, and eat, and get this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and help me get to 100 likes. It really helps this channel and help my video to be seen more on YouTube. And please drop a comment down below and tell me what you thought about this video, and let me know if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And please leave a creative comment, because if I like that creative comment, I might shout out your name in the next video. Also, please share this on the internet everywhere and share it with all over social media because I really want to help as many people I can to make money online and to become their own boss and become financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, Grind family, thanks again for your support, and thank you for getting to 1,500 subscribers. My next milestone is 2,000 subscribers. So let's try to get there in a couple of weeks, guys. So Grind family, keep sharing my video and keep watching everything that I drop. And before you know it, we're going to be at 2,000. This is not just my channel. This is you guys' channel. You guys out there have helped me get to this point. So you guys are part of my growth. All right. That's all I have for this video. Before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go watch some of my other videos till my new one come out. Peace.